Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon marinade. First, gather your ingredients to create a flavorful base for your bacon. A good marinade transforms ordinary bacon into an extraordinary culinary experience, adding depth and complexity. It infuses the meat with delicious flavors, making each bite more enjoyable. We'll cover the simple steps to achieve this, ensuring your bacon is perfectly seasoned and incredibly tasty. Let's get started on crafting that perfect marinade. For a classic sweet and savory marinade, start with 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of rich maple syrup. Next, introduce a touch of tanginess with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a smoky depth with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Whisk these ingredients together until they are fully combined. This blend creates a balanced flavor profile that truly elevates your bacon. Once your marinade is ready, carefully place your bacon strips into a shallow dish or a sturdy resealable bag. Pour the entire marinade mixture over the bacon, making sure every piece is thoroughly coated. This ensures maximum flavor absorption. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator. For optimal taste, allow the bacon to marinate for at least 2 hours, or even up to 12 hours for a deeper, richer flavor. Once marinated, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup, then arrange the bacon in a single layer. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it reaches your desired crispness. This method ensures even cooking and a delicious result. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly flavored bacon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.